guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, this is chapter 13. Diba takot ka ngayon? Manda you. Ano ba talaga pag bodyguards dapat may naka-shades? Tapos naka-tuxedo. Lin Xiang, must you do this to me? Please let me go. I will do everything for you in the future. Weiyi, please save me. Help! Help! I'm still your best friend. Please save me. Best friend? Di mo tinuring best friend yan si Weiyi eh. Sipain mo nga, di ba? You should ask Zhu to see if he's willing to forgive you. Smile nga yung bata eh, ayaw nga, di ba? Mas mas hard, basta yun. O ngayon, pa-koto-koto ka, ha? Young master, I'm blind, I'm stupid, I shouldn't have picked on you. I'm so sorry and please forgive me. You're mommy's friend after all, so I'll give you a chance. Her head banging on the floor really says something. Little evil. I haven't took back the stock share Gu-Fei stole from me together with that disgusting couple. An eye for an eye. I will make you regret messing with me. Parehong nakakatakot tingnan. I'll never forgive you so easily. It's just for mommy's sake. Synchronized. Go to clean yourself and get dressed. I'll send you another dress. You're my bestie, and you must be in the ceremony with nice looks. You're the best. Rest assured, I will not let you down and get myself dolled up. I know she can't change overnight. She's still as stupid as before. Hey, two-faced girl. I'll remember this. When I get to the ceremony, I will make your wedding a living hell. You'll see. Di ka takot ha. Kay Mr. Lin yun. Nakasal. Takot ka nga ngayon pa lang. Ano pa kaya pag sa kasal na? The wedding is held in the rose garden of the Lin's villa. All the guests are seated. The wedding is about to begin, but the groom hasn't shown up. Asan na naman yung groom? Paghihintayin mo yung bride? Grabe to. Where is Lindu? He's supposed to wait for me, but now it's the other way around. Oo nga, ikaw pinaghintay, girl. Classy. Don't tell me that he leaves me at the altar. Worried. Look, helicopters. Ano yun? Tatablan siya dyan sa helicopter. May patarpaulin pa. Lindu brings my painting? Oo, yung sinabi niya. Painting, much better yung painting na gagawin niya kaysa kay Lindu. Mommy painted me and put me in the center. Well done. Click-clock. Ano yan? Oh, flowers. Ang ganda ng entrance mo, ha? Grabe. May pa-entrance si boy, pero pinag-antay mo talaga si Weiyi sa altar, ha? He's flying a helicopter? Thanks God it's not a war. Anong gagawin mo? Tatalon talaga siya. Nag-ayos pa. Talaga pa-epal din ito eh. Pangklaseng kasal ha. It's showtime. Akalain mo yun. What are those choppers doing? Buzz, buzz. Swish. Ano yan? Gumagawa sila ng ano? Shi Weiyi and Lindo. Di ba din naman Di helicopter yun. Di ba jet plane yun? Iba din tong creativity nitong writer na to. Nanong pogi-pogi oh. May pa-shades pa at hindi nahulog yung shades pagbaba niya, ha? Talagang sakto talaga sa altar. Ibig sabihin, saan napunta yung parachute? Laki-laki kaya yan sa real world. Hindi yan ganyan. This is the most flamboyant and life-risking way of getting married. Hasn't he considered what if his parachute didn't work and he just died? And I'd be a widow? Right, this is the end of the chapter. Let's see what will happen in the next one. See ya, guys. Hi, everyone. So, this is chapter 14. Let's see. Ano pa tong mga pakulo ni Mr. Lindu? Take off. Diba? Dahan-dahan pa naghubad ng shades. Bakit talaga? My bride has an amazing figure. Gusto niya ding mapuri, for sure. Sorry ka, di ka pupurihin ni Weiyi. Pinag-antay mo eh. Ringing. So, tapos sa'yo kasal? Bilis naman. Wala pa pala. We are gathered here today to witness the joining of two lives. Does anyone have any reason against their joining? Meron yung bridesmaid niya for sure. Wait a second. Ano na naman? Who you? Bai Xingxiao, Lindo's cousin. Bro, I'm so sorry, I'm late. Genius doctor of medicine, studying in the University of Oxford. Oh, I thought Lindo's secret lover came here to stop the wedding. Let's continue then. Isn't he Lindo's cousin? Didn't I tell you not to be late? Pwede naman, okay lang naman kasi maging late. Di na kailangan pong mapastop ng kasal. Ano ba yan? My dearest aunt, I did not expect that Lindu will get married for real. Plus, my car is down and I ran here all the way up. Unimpressed ang pamangkin. Diba? Ngayon may impress ka din sa kagandahan ni Brian. She's pretty, right? Ganda-ganda ni ate mo, girl. Aunt Lindu has the great taste. The bride is so breathtaking. I wonder what their first night will be like. Lagot ka ngayon. Meek. Parang walang ginawa. That is so not my business. All my friends, is there anyone who has a reason against their joining? Wait a sec. Ano na naman? Sino ka na naman? Sino you? Who are you? Xing Motang, Lindu's best friend. Pwede naman kasi umupo na lang kayo. Bakit ba kasi kailangan nyo paintuin yung ceremony? Ewan ko ba nung klaseng kasal to? Isn't he the hot movie star? Xing Motang? So cute. I don't believe that I could see him here. But he looks pretty angry. Ba't ka galit? Lindu, ba't ka umiiyak? You betrayed me. Kala tuloy nito matang bakla to, ha? Wow, what did I just hear? This wedding is full of drama. Diba? Ba't ganun yung mga drawing? Basta mo yung mga chismis at kamaritisan, dapat nakahawak ng pakwan. The two most handsome men have dated? I think Lindu is on the top and Chimutang is on the bottom. Chimutang, you are messing with daddy again. Climb down. Pick up. Ano naman kasing drama to? Little on. Calm down. Your Uncle Chi is just testing your mommy and daddy. Huh? Yan na naman kayo. Imbis kasal eh. Tang is considered to be a emotionless, serious, and talented movie star. Tapos biglang umiyak. Charit. But what he does the most in private is what? What does he do in private? By doing all kinds of actings, he's devoted to embarrassing his friends. He once pretended to be a pregnant woman to screw my blind date. Scumbag. Dangerous trick or treat page 1. Or he might cosplay the late Mr. Lin and surprise Lindu when he's asleep. My dear grandson, your grandpa is visiting. He once even got dressed as Lindu and busted me when I was taking a shower. Bend over. Now the show has begun. Popcorn bucket. So, diba? Ang daming interesting friends o mga tao sa life na to. Sa life ni Lindu. Sa tingin nyo, ang previous life, nakilala sila ni Weiyi? I don't think so, kasi nagugulat si Weiyi eh. So, let's see in the next one what will happen. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, everyone. Bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter.